Steven Victor, long known as a music executive and Virginia creative force, is now crossing into sneakers with the Victor X Nike Air Max DN8 NYC. Instead of relying on detailed specs, the campaign leans on cinematic storytelling, luxury visuals, a Ferrari, and Victor himself in pure platinum DN8s. His teasers arrive with Pop Smoke's music, heightening cultural resonance while spotlighting the Victor logo. Adding to the mystery, the brand's refreshed homepage quietly displays an aquatic radiant DN8, offering the clearest design clue. The collab builds momentum from Clipse's recent Acclaim and Pharrell's Adidas Jellyfish buzz, threading music, style, and intrigue together. With rollout imagery echoing exclusivity and artistry, the project underscores Victor's transition into footwear. Official release hits September 13 via SNKRS, with early exclusive access limited to those who previously joined Air Max DN8 or Nigo product draws.